Hi, welcome to Tiny RV Cooking. Today I'll be making easy spinach salad. If you like the contents video, please like, subscribe, share, and ring the bell for new notification of videos. Let's get cooking. I found this recipe for easy spinach salad from iFoodie Real. I'll put a link down below where you can find the recipe. The ingredients we're going to need are, for the dressing, we're going to need apple cider vinegar, soy sauce, olive oil, I already put mine in a measuring cup, and Dijon mustard. For the salad, we're going to need spinach. Baby spinach is best, but get what you can get. An egg, cucumber, tomatoes, bell peppers. It calls for mushrooms, but I don't like mushrooms, so I'm using a red bell pepper. It's a nice color. Let's get assembling. I like to make my salads and dressings all in advance. So right now we're going to start with our dressing. To our olive oil, we'll add 2 tablespoons of apple cider, one tablespoon of soy sauce. The soy sauce I prefer is the one that is brewed. And 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Give it a good mix. I'm going to put this to the side and we're going to get started on our salad. If you're making a salad in advance, the first thing you're going to put in your salad bowl will be a little bit of dressing. You go from wet to dry. We're just going to add a very little. You can always add more later. Then you're going to start off with the wettest thing. For me, it will be my tomatoes. After tomatoes, we'll add cucumbers, bell pepper. I like a little salt on my stuff I put on the bottom, and a little pepper on it. Then we'll go the eggs, and finally the spinach. If you have your produce down on the bottom, it will wilt. This works the best. Between, I like to wipe mine off. Pro tip, the little bags you get with your produce in it, I save them, wash them, and then I can put my garbage in it. I don't have to run back and forth to my trash can. Fast and easy. If your salad, like I have big spinach, not baby, just break it up. Nowadays, you get what you can get at the store and be happy with it. Okay, the salad is done. As you can see, we have wet to dry. As you can see, we have wet to dry. And this will be in my refrigerator. It is morning still at my house. It's going to be 100 degrees today, so we're just doing simple foods. A sandwich and a lovely salad. I'm going to put it in my refrigerator until it's time to eat. We'll toss and it'll be crispy and done. You can do this in a day in advance. You can do it like any kind of salad like this, as long as you follow these easy steps. I have made salad day in advance for the next day if I know I have a busy day. Later on, I found some toasted almonds, so we're gonna put that on top. And that'll be our crunch. I'll see you when it's time to have our dinner. Hi, it's been 6 hours since we have made our spinach salad. Now it's time to toss it. I'm gonna add a little pine nuts and almond slivers that I have toasted for a little bit of crunch before we toss it. Just a little bit. You're just gonna give it a gentle toss. As you see, our spinach stayed nice and crispy and all our veggies were on the bottom. So we're just gonna toss it up and mix it really well. That looks really good. We are going to, I'm going to serve it on this platter. I made these for my 4-inch springform pan. They also work great to put my bowl on top because it doesn't move. So I have my sandwich and we're going to have a salad. And now for the fun part, trying our spinach salad. Really good. The flavors meld together and the crispness of the spinach is so good. I'll put the link down below where you can find this recipe. If you like the content of this video, please like, subscribe, share, and ring the bell for new notifications. I'll be putting out new content every Monday and Wednesday. And please leave a comment what you would like me to make next time. I'm in my tiny kitchen. I like to inspire you to make great food in your tiny kitchen. See you next time.